Have you ever found yourself really wanting to do something and you just could not take the first step? We all know it's called procrastination, but what do you do about it? Well, let me share with you the story of one of my associates. She called me the other day and she said she had this really exciting plan to start rebuilding her sales team. And I was excited for her because what she was really doing was she was getting out of a long period of inactivity. That's important because that long period of inactivity, of course, had made her very nervous about getting started again. She knew what to do. She had all the tools. She had the support, but she had also a long list of things that she felt she needed to have in place before she could start the process. I listened to that list of things that she needed, and I knew she didn't need any of them. They were all there for her. She just needed to get started on the plan that she had. So why is it that we procrastinate? It's fear. It's doubt about ourselves. It's not being 100% certain that we have all the pieces together. So there's a couple of things that are important here. One is just taking action. If you have a long list of things that you feel you need to do in order to accomplish what you're doing, just take one of those items out of the list and start doing it. If one of the items is, one of the things you need to do is make calls, and this is really where a lot of procrastination happens, you need to just walk in your office, pick up the phone, and start calling. I don't care if the first call is to your mother. Just start calling. And once you've called, just tell yourself, I'm going to call again, and then again, and then again. It's getting that body in motion. You know the old adage, a body in motion stays in motion, a body at rest stays at rest. So we just want to get that body in motion. And you go through the steps in your plan and get it done. Now, that does indicate that you need to have a plan. And I want to make sure that people know that this is something that a lot of folks fall down on. They don't have the things they need to do put together in such a way that they can go step by step. The issue then becomes you get stopped each step of the way and you have to go, okay, what's next? And what's next? So having that plan is really critical, really important. And I want to offer you, if you're having a challenge in that area, I want to offer you at least for free the first step on how to put a plan together and turn your aspirations into goals and those goals into activity. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to put a link below, and please avail yourself of that. It's free to get started with it, and I hope that it will help you overcome procrastination.